Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Viggy and I maak live videos, Erev Shabbos videos, mostly of Yiddish. If you fangt in the antige video, please consider to hitting the like button. It's a lange riesige Weg. I'm running late a few minutes. Een aufgeregte Zeiger. Nein, Tzitzena Zeiger. Wel. Na een Zeiger toen ben een beetje ridiculous gedacht daar met een big Volvi. Get near the Shabbos, get near the weekend. How you be? Wie ze gewend dan wach? Ze tutsig met een pizza gaar. Villager Kajavai? Hello and welcome. Get near the Shabbos. Yes, I just started. We have a new time. Tzena Zeiger in the morning. We moved it up because 9 o'clock was too. Cutting it short. Weekend was awesome. Somebody liebte him. Get the weekends. Get the week. Is I begin. And I was running late because I had certain Sachen that floating to the grocery. Regnish. And I'm back. Pizza guy has been busy. Somebody busy. Especially the pizza dude. Ik gesehen ein Tag down setup and I was like, man, you came a long way, bro. Die bist gekommen a lange Weg. Die. Tiri die. Yankee T. How you doing? Get near the Shabbos, get near the weekend. Wie ze gewend aan wach? Vorige Woche habe ich gesehen, als wenn ich nach Ruhe gegangen bis die heraufgekommen. I saw it. Yes, I did like it. It's a real like, if you know what I mean. Silver $63. Was good, BH. Somebody liebte hidden. Weil wie sie Geschmack zu sehen, wenn ein Hevermann kommt darauf, you know, und man halt mit der Progress und man sieht normale Progression. Like, didn't go too crazy, fuhrt mit. Aber warum ich geht nicht? Geht morgen, geht near the Shabbos, geht near the weekend, how you be? Good morning from Israel. Somebody lieber zu Israel. Hat mich einer gefragt, wie ich wollte gemufft auf Israel. Aber gesagt, der Territz ist erwähnt sich. Fuhr ich hin, weil ich bin spiritual, ist ergens in der Welt. Und ob ich fuhr hin, zieht in der Avoide, ist es Jerusalem. Das ist der Territz. It's Will Rick Yeshiva. Will Rick Yeshiva. Ah, okay. I like. CG. Hello and welcome. Get near the Shabbos. How you be? Long time. We zijn gewend aan wacht. Wow. Finde viewer, huh? Ze vliegt wie 2 seconds and it's over. Meaning like 2 seconds is finna viewer. Just yesterday we went on the hike. Just yesterday when pizza was an idea. And yet it's a staple. I'm happy for you, man. Shiviji kulam is mayo veyisango. Did it die, 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 did it die, did it die. Take out the translator from the message. I don't know what translates. How to take it off if you're talking to me. SpaceX 122. Oh. SpaceX. Het is gewoon in hand met 114. $10 erop. Bobby. What's that for? Yeah, time flies. The reason for which time flies, it seems, is because man lernt sich geschoss neue Sachen. Als Kind, jede Sache ist neu. So in order to slow down time, try to host it in jeden Tag etwas neu. Tesla 324. Bitcoin 64,000. Oh yo. Did it die 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 dum? Did it die die dum? Did it die die da da da? Oh mama. Did it die die? Have a blood. I got around to work. Nice. Volvi, enjoy. Jede minute. Stay cool, as they say. Stay cool. You got it, Volvi. They're in good hands. Thank you. For 40 joules. I'll take it. I will take it, Volvi. Thank you. Oh, you see the Blood definitely helps to stay cool, yes. Are you still doing it? Because, you know, sometimes people don't do it and all of a sudden people ask them and så vet det ganska konflikta. So I just didn't wanna poke the bear. Oh yo 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 yo. Ooh, I can shake 200 joules and it's a cat. Vai no bobo fa. You're posting on Jealousgram? Okay. Ich habe nicht Jealousgram, so. Was schon ein paar Mal almost gewesen auf Jealousgram. So. Sally! Get near of Shabbos, get near of weekend. How you be? Wir sind gewesen am Woche. Welcome. Shabbos, heiliger Shabbos. Yes, 5 years. In the fort. Oi, 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 did it die? Volvi. I don't know what these jewels are, but I'm taking it. But I am taking it. It turns into ego jam. So it's a rat race. A rat race. Because then you're just running and running after it. And you just want to make another like. Rather put down the phone and go on a hike. Baruch, 310. Yeah. BH, I'm good. We'd like to hear that. Thank you for checking. 6-7. Ay, 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 ay. 6-7. Whatever that means. Viggy say this we no say Paul V. I gotta keep thanking you. What does it mean, this Jules thing? By the way, as a coming doing, you don't mind hitting the like button. A like button was, dass die Host lieb des und sie schickt es sie noch Menschen, die haben dieselbe Viewers wie die, selbe Ideas. So if you don't mind, she gave it a hit is the like button. It goes a long way. Gold 4,300. Wow. Good jump. Oh yeah, Penny. Ich habe gesehen die E-Mail, wo du hast geschickt, Penny. I did see it, but I didn't have time yet to review it. I like the first one. What do you mean? Sie tut zwei, haben wir das gesehen, Digga? Oh yeah. Penny. And welcome. Thank you so much, Penny. Sie helft that of the channel tremendously, ist der Wissen. Jeder Bissl ist eine Sache. Ist das so wie ein Nistel. Alles fängt sich von einem Nistel. By the way, ich habe nicht getracht, dass der BMW, the MBD one, is going to be such a hit. And I'm glad that people enjoy it. So thank you for all the viewers. Bei jeder, was nimmt an Zeit, precious time, and shared this with me. It means a lot. Thank you is not a enough word. You know? Yeah, you, me. How many missiles are required to win? Meaning? Boss Nation, GG Morgan. Hello and welcome. How you feeling? Is it going to be the boss of the nation. Ook het afvillen of the Haitian. La Familia Taxi. Shout out. Each is like a missile for the channel. Oh, I don't know, Penny. Like, I don't even know what it means, but I'm taking it. Boss is bossing like a boss. Yep. How was your week? We need matters back. Yes, boss. We do need matters back. We need to. The problem is nemen a break. Or the postponen Sachen. As the reconnection. The reconnection neemt dat maar niet. Like, it's a new mechaber. And it didn't work. It still didn't work out. But I'm gonna try. Next week. In März. With all the... Wie zoekt man? Met mijn chef zelf met een reddenskoier. Ja, echt zo. Ja, mijn Shabbos. Ik wil. It just has to work out. But that won't. Otherwise I will preach. Hey, Penny, you always preach. Preach, no worries. course, with the Rebbe. There you go. It's the koyach in the moyach. No way. Penny, 25 pounds. Wow. Good for you, man. Good for you. Unwanted 25. Wie viel did it go? Congratulations. Hold on. Door hem freut sich. You know, weight loss is not, it's not just losing the weight. So hat sich die mit a million andere Sachen. So this verloren 25 pounds meint es that you actively worked on everything around as well. Wenn man arbeitet auf a car, wenn man arbeitet auf brakes, tippt man die brakes. Und noch arbeitet man auf der Transmission. But when it comes to weight loss, it's like you're working on the brakes, transmission, the fluids, the batteries, the structure of the car, mentally, the whole thing. So, good for you, Penny. Good for you. Keep pushing, keep pushing. The Sky DJ. Hello and welcome. Get near the Shabbos, get near the weekend. By the way, ich möchte sagen, Chabos dann mix. I like it very much. Bist a talented guy, bro. You're talented. Ich habe gesagt, der Weg, wieso ich analyze a DJ mix, ist, wenn ich tracht nicht finde in der Mitte. Sie kratzt nicht. Sofort. Und wenn sie endigt, so geht man, oh, sie done? Das meint, das ist groovy, a movie. Das ist geil. Which it is. So, thank you. Thank you for releasing it. Thank you for putting out the Sach for the Welt. Es ist ein bisschen schwer zu machen, ein Review darauf, because it's, I don't know, es reviewt sich nicht echt so, but ich bin ein Tag ein live mitten in der Woche, das ist trein aussehen. Another 25 pounds. Nice. Alavai is Viggy doing the jogging. Ich try zu walken jeden Tag, but unbelievable, bro. Good for you, Penny. Mind over matter. Boss, yes, but the matter is pink as wie the mind. Although this leaves more necessary in the run operation. Yep. Ich will nicht judgen the Menschen, was in the surgery, because their emotional eating could be nicht stoppable. So it's got a bit of force, but good for you, Penny. I'm sure your knees thank you. Hashem Yochishemoi Tzapli meyoim leyoim leshi yosoi Ay 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 oh You lost 1,000 pounds. Get collectively, huh? Ich bin noch nicht gewesen, also groß ever in my life. But the poor move was getried zu verlieren Wog. And even now, I'm trying to lose weight. Man, oh man. It's all about the intake of healthy foods, healthy mind, walking, exercise. Yes. It shows overall a 360 of done being, as they say. Because if you eat all the nash and everything, it shows what type of situation. And I'm only judging. I'm not saying the people that struggling with that, like, segunish. You know? Not too shady. And by the way, Sky DJ, sie kann man nicht do the best. Man sieht nur the best, wenn man kickt zurück. Meaning, die das weiter machen music, die das weiter pushen und machen what feels comfortable to you, and then one will be like the peak. I lost 10 pounds and trying to lose more, but it's, yes, Yankee T, congratulations. When I see an English guy and he lost 10 pounds, he's looking on the floor because it's money. But he's Amerikaner, so. Wegen dem geht es dort ein paar Kilo. But yeah, I know how the weight game could play out. It's terrible sometimes. En ook het, wenn man da watschen, was man isst, darf man sein conscious. Man darf machen ganze Tanne Maneuvers. Weil der Brain will alle andere Sachen. How am I? I'm doing alright. One of an interesting week, I would say. You know, a lot has happened for the first time this week. You know, very interesting. Wegen dem kann man nicht wissen, wo es kein geschehen. Because if it never happened, doesn't mean it won't happen. You know? All of a sudden there's people that come back from being lost. And then there's the people that were not lost are lost now. So when the guys in a carnival is to do that ride with the furtarim, and you're standing in one place and things are coming and going, but you're staying in one place. Sometimes it feels that way. Things you can't explain. I've realized this is, oh, by the way, the channel had hit over 3,500 subscribers. So thank you for everybody who hit the subscribe button. Really do appreciate it. 3,500 individuals. Okay, minus 100 von the fake accounts was gemacht. Other family members of my gewollt hier nach Teufel. But besides that, 3,500 souls on this flight, sir. Oh, that's yes. So, and by the way, I don't want to judge people that don't subscribe because ich vergesse auch zu hitten the subscribe button bei anderen channels. But kick of days out, bin ich like, hit the subscribe button.
What are you doing?
Hit them damn subscribe button.
Oh, yo, yo. Huge mazel tov, yes. For the channel, and it's you guys. You know? Otherwise it will be just me talking into a mic, into a camera for myself. Me yo yitzma wa 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 wo. Ne yo wo rois. Ich gehe bei dir von mitkommen mit alle auftun so sing. Now I was thinking, they mean in the Ginam, ich will jetzt reden von Menschen, die werden triggered. Because ich habe analyzed Sachen, wo ich werde triggered. And wenn man analysiert, von wo man wird triggered auf etwas, und man decide, sie arbeiten darauf, nicht zu werden triggered, wächst man as a person. Meaning to say, oi lass mal sagen, die wirst triggered von hearing they mean music, right? It's something you should maybe look into yourself. Be like, von wo wirst du triggered? Oh ja, nicht, dass ich judge der, die wirst triggered. Miko yiraya ishimohi koili. No, we think you're great. Penny, thank you. Appreciate it, Penny. So, wenn man arbeitet, auf der nicht werden triggert, lernen sie doch aus, sie differentiaten Sachen, nicht heranzulegen Sachen in a whole. You know? In der Judge nicht, die werden triggert, weil sie do Sachen, wo ich arbeite auf mir every so often, nicht werden triggert. Exactly. You don't want to be conditioned by our triggers. Yes, exactly. Smart. That's what I mean. Yisu will be a half a mensch. I want to be a whole mensch. A bagel is also whole. Twice. In the middle and it's ganz. Oh, that's actually very interesting. A bagel, a whole bagel, is not full because it's a roll. It would be a roll. So a whole bagel has a hole inside. So maybe a half a mensch is a full mensch. Somebody's like, pass the cream cheese and lox, please. Yes, exactly, Penny. Also, we have to differentiate. Split it. Because they were walking around with so-called representing something doesn't mean the thing they were representing is what they are holding. That's why bagels are Jewish. That's a full paradox. That's a full parallax. Parallax. Let's go, Yiddish. Ay, ay, ay. Lai lai la lai, did lai 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 la la lai 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 lai. They have Rumi Strauss's mix. I believe it's one of the best mixes for Shabbos out there. Me heert es aus du auf der Viggy Vibes Channel jede Woche, jede Freitag. Lai 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 lai. Ay 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 lai 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 lai. Oh wait, Penny, yes. Are you going to Oman? Are you going to Oman? Ya ba 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 ya ba. Also, Menschen, die ganze War in Ukraine hat es gemacht, mit Russia, hat es gemacht schwerer umzukommen, zu Oman. And the people that don't have, that what makes Oman so sweet, als es schwer umzukommen. Whichever works, Ali, yeah? Hit it up. Oman is a Platz, wie so gegeben a kleine glimpse, wie so se geht auskicken. That was my first experience in Oman. You know, wenn die Kims von da neck of the woods, bist du ziege wohnst du da Shield, da people, alles ist eier baxedig. Ja, die weiß da Puppen dort mit der Klosenburger dort, but wenn die Kims nun zu Oman siehst, the real. When you peel, you see the real. But you gotta peel to see the real. But when I say in good Deutsch, with all my voice in my home, I will say who me carry the young who can I, Baba, Kedisho Sayyidicho Kai Izwazaku Sayuni Hoinaya. Zurück zu gehen, was wir gesagt haben, aber nicht zurück. Aufwachsen nur in einer jiddischen Städtel hat eine mordige Chasuren. Es hat alles, aber der größte Chasuren hat es, ist, dass life, wees hat gechappet, in gegammelt, in ziggeriert, sind nur Jiden. So you get a bad taste. So man darf sein extra careful, wenn man wohnt in einer Enclave, in einem Platz. Oh, Ruler? Hello and welcome. Get Native Shabbos, Get Native Weekend, live from Morocco. Oh my God, we're having people live from everywhere. Thank you. Morocco. Deze heb ik lief de internet. Dus doe aan borders. In general, hold on. Let me answer that. Hold on. Wait a minute. So women in Oman usually don't go, but some stay home. And I know a friend, someone I know, used to take his wife, and his wife used to dress with a sweatshirt, like huddled up, and was standing very close to her husband and maneuvered around. It's not really Rosh Hashanah place for women, meaning like openly. It's changing because there's a lot of families that live there through the years, so it's becoming more and more normal. Wieso ist der Wetter in Marokko? Tira, tara, moja, ja, mama. Tira, moja, ja, 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 ja. Shalom from North Korea. One of the places actually both nations wie ich will sein. Gain for a visit. Is the Korea of the North. Ah, yeah, 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 yeah. Hello from Vinos. We're getting people from Fantasyland. Wo gesehen a Gamer Map für wie Menschen checken heran. Und man sieht ein Dat in Nordkorea. I guess ein Lieder dort noch gehabt, Internet. Ein Dat. Das ist Shabbat. Ay, 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 ay. Zacheines is oi du sechu. Moya melu tsoine ve, moya shana yetsoine yeru. Oech soim no yam Shabbos. Oy 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 yitvilo sababecho. Shmoy shoy yitzavli navot yochecho. Hayot adoi galafika yemoyim. Bitcoin 65k. Wow. Favos, wie verwen? Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. It's breaking out. It's testing 65. Oh yeah, 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 oh yeah, 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 yeah. Gold 4,400. Gold is off a bounce. 3,900 was a low. Da mal sehen, was geschehen. Silber. 55. SpaceX 127. Also wie ich gesagt, 105. Ich gewinne der Low, 105, 103. Ich gehe nach der Platz zu kaufen. Meichu migi is going to me malam kodesheichu. Migi is going to ASML is the company that makes chips. The stock is $1,700. Migi is going to me malam kodesheichu. It was almost $2,000. Baby, yeah, Crude oil, $77. Pa 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 da 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 dum pa. Ay 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 all right, we're met ending the song though, and ending the live. Met zich daarvan gezegenen. I really do appreciate the Oilam Duzan. En chillen zusammen mit mir. Heranzubringen the Shabbat/weekend. Whatever boats to float. Means a lot that you guys are here. I don't know, Penny. I don't know. It's a mamish movie. A comedy skit. Harmoes offen, harmoes vannacht. Offen, vannacht, offen, gemaakt eens, adil, malach, toy. I don't know. Very confusing. But I guess we'll see. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Alright, Chevre. It's coming the time that I have to say and I have to say goodbye. Can't be easy no matter how many times I try. But I gotta do it. Wir gehen mal schauen, wie deine Studien eine lange Zeit, eine kurze Zeit. Viele der sind umgezogen auf andere Tab und gemacht mit gut. Ja, eine Tab, aber warum ich meine dir? Thank you. Wir gehen mal schauen, alle Likes, Shares, Comments, Subscribers. And especially members for, doing the extra. I really do appreciate it. And auch a special thanks to Penny for schicken a membership. I really do appreciate it. And auch het Volvi for schicken the jewels. Really do appreciate it. Thank you so much. I helped out of the channel tremendously. Housekeeping. Met zijn wegen nächste Woche. Ich weiß, ich suche jede Woche, als ich try zu gehen live mitten in der Woche, which I do, but ich bin nicht ein Mensch, dass ich gehe live staan, weil ich darf machen Content. Ich gehe live, wenn ich vieles. So, I haven't felt it. Try noch zu recovering and stuff like that. So, I'm taking it easy. I'm going to try to make some reviews for nächste Woche. So, I'm ready. Yeah. All right, Hebra. Have a lovely and awesome Shabbos/weekend. And we'll see you all next time. And until next